Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I review celebrity dolls every Friday, and today I wanted to show you my Suntan Brooke Shields doll. She came out in 1982. She was a popular actress, came out in movies back in the 1970s and 1980s. Pretty Baby, The Blue Lagoon, Endless Love. Some of those were controversial movies. She was very young and just something that maybe parents didn't want to take their children to. But she was a pretty girl. She was a good actress. She also was in some things in the 1990s. She was in a sitcom called Suddenly Susan. And she also starred in a guest starring role as this crazy girlfriend that went out with Joey, and it was a pretty funny episode, so she did good comedy as well as good acting. Now this doll is about the same size as a Barbie doll. Let's measure her real quick. She's 11.5 inches tall. Her head moves from side to side. She's got a very pretty face. She had dark eyebrows. Let me bring her a little bit closer up to the camera so you can see her a little bit better here. If you see this doll in a lot, then you'll recognize her as Brooke Shields. See, the eyebrows are pretty dark. She's got a lot of lashes at the top and the bottom. Her eyes are a grayish blue. Her lips are pink. Her hair is brunette, kind of curly, but not curly all over, just curled in the back. Kind of like an updo, kind of long. She's got this pretty swimsuit on with grosgrain ribbon here that ties around the neck, and then yellow and white striping with a ruffle here at the bottom. I think she's a pretty doll. I love the swimsuit. She's Suntan Brooke Shields, and she does have a good dark suntan. Her arms move up and down, and her legs bend and click, or bend and snap. And she came with a lot of fashions as well. The doll was made by LJN. It says collect the entire line of Brooke's high fashion designs. So she had this line that was called Fun Time Fashions, and then this designer boutique line. And I think those go for quite a bit of money now. I'm not sure exactly how much. I've not tried to find the fashions myself to buy for her, but I have seen them online once in a while looking for Barbie things, and it always seemed like they were kind of pricey. But she's got some cool fashions. Here she's got a roller skating outfit down here, like a disco roller skating look. Here's one with a really crazy gold top. Kind of cool looking. I love this country look here in the red and white. There she's got a cheerleader fashion. She's got some really nice outfits. And then this is the front of the box. This is a picture of, or a graphic of what Brooke Shields actually looked like around the time this doll came out in the early 1980s. It says Suntan Brooke Shields Year-Round Fun Tan. Item number 8846. The top of the box, it says she's fully posable. Let's see if I can get that in the screenshot here. Fully posable. Brooke Shields doll with hair you can style, designer swimsuit, sunglasses, and beach bag. So the yellow and white is her designer swimsuit. Then she's got these sunglasses that kind of look like they're purple. I would say purple. They're coming off as like a blackish color. Maybe you can see a bit of the purple there. And then this bag is vinyl. It's got a fabric cord through the top intended to be like a drawstring bag. I've not opened this. I don't really want to, but that's what it looks like. If you see it in a lot, that's hers. She's a very cool doll. She's one of the, I think, the darkest suntan dolls that I have in my collection. I do think I have one Ken doll that's a little bit darker than her. Back in the 70s, a Malibu Ken. But this is a great doll. I'm happy to have her. I hope you like her. If you did like her, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time with more cool stuff. Thanks for watching.